In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your content and stats. If you want to quickly check how your posts and activity are performing, this is a simple feature to use and it only takes a moment to access. Once you know where to find it, you can come back to this area anytime to review your content and get a better sense of your account activity. To begin, make sure you're logged into your account and that you're on the main Quora interface. Look toward the upper area of the screen for your profile picture. This profile image acts as the entry point to several account-related options. Go ahead and click on your profile picture to open the account menu. When that menu appears, you'll see a list of options connected to your profile and account settings. From this list, find the option labeled Your Content and Stats, then click on it. This section is specifically designed to help you review the content associated with your account, along with the performance information that's available to you. After selecting that option, you'll be taken to the area where your stats are displayed. At this point, you can now view your stats and review your content in one place. This is useful if you want to keep track of how your contributions are doing over time, or if you simply want a clearer overview of your activity on the platform. As you look through this section, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout so it becomes easier to return to later. If you plan to monitor your progress regularly, it can be helpful to check this page from time to time and compare what you're seeing across different visits. That way, you can stay more aware of how your content is performing and whether your activity is increasing. If the option doesn't appear right away, make sure the account menu is fully open and that you're signed into the correct profile. A quick refresh can also help if the page doesn't load immediately. In most cases though, the process is very straightforward. So to recap, you click on your profile picture, choose your content and stats from the menu, and then you'll be able to view your stats. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you quickly find your content and stats on Quora.